Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pro Value number FRPB9462R WHP. This is a magnetic touch latch, is what we would call this. This would be, of course, one appropriate for a pair of doors, and is a white finish, which is referred to in the part number, the WHP. And we'll go over the other options that this is available in a moment. But being for a pair of doors, you'll have two plunger assemblies. They don't have a load rating or how many pounds of force that it takes to depress this that I'm aware of, but we'll determine that. It's certainly not insignificant. It's certainly not extremely difficult, but this would be certainly appropriate for cabinet style doors, maybe entertainment center type doors. We've also sold this to folks who wanted a stronger amount of hold on a larger door, and they've used both of those plungers together, but usually as a pair of doors is how you're going to see this operated. Okay, some basic dimensional properties. Let's go over that now. They have these as 2 1/4 wide, not 2 5/16. The body, 1 5/16, and I'd say, yeah, 1 5/16. It's going to have an overall height of the body right at about 5/8 of an inch. The projection of the plunger mechanism, about 3/16. When it's projected, that becomes about 5/8 of an inch. Okay, a couple of small strike plates that are here, just surface mounted. You do get 2 of them. Quick dimensional properties of that. Okay, so the dimension on the strike, it's about an 1 3/8 length, and its width is about 1/2 inch. It's very thin material, maybe 30 thousandths. You're going to get 2 screws for the 2 strike plates, flathead screws. You will get 4 screws for the body. There'll be a total of 4. And you may have noticed initially on the body itself, there are 2 slotted holes at opposite corners and 2 fixed holes at opposite corners. You'll, of course, pre-drill your holes for the slotted holes first to make your adjustments. And then once you're satisfied with the placement of the unit, run your screws into the fixed holes and then tighten your slotted hole screws. Okay, that's how I would proceed with that. Now, there is a link below this video to a document called Cut Sheet where you can, if you just click on that, we'll look at it together. And it's just a 1-page document that shows this value-priced Pro Value magnetic push touch latch. It will show the 9461 and the 9462, and really how they differ is that the 9461 is simply, it's going to simply have a smaller body size because it's a single style touch latch rather than it being a double style touch latch. That's the difference there, but they are otherwise the same item. Now, in the world of touch latches, there are several and many to be sure. This is a common popular style. If you have a need for a touch latch that has a very specific amount of force to push open and close to the unit, let us know, and we will work with you to determine what that is. I do have a force gauge used for pushing doors, and I will at some point endeavor to unearth my force gauge, my force gauge, the pressure gauge, and then be able to detail that stuff. But again, typical cabinet doors, you know, if this is 4 pounds or 6 pounds, it's a cabinet door. It's going to certainly keep it in a closed position. There is also, finally, a link below this video to the manufacturer's page from where you can view not only all the Pro Value material that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, which does act as their catalog as well. If you have any questions on the Pro Value, their part number FRPB9462R WHP touch latch, or any other Pro Value product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.